Hey, Bob Trade Genius, the 25th of October. Two themes. Today, the stock market action was not bullish, and the minor action in silver and gold was not bearish. So, look at this. This is absolutely amazing. It popped up. We're up over 60 points at one point. And my theme today, if we closed up there, is saying, please get out, please get out, please get out. The stats tell us that there's a minus 5% move over the next 5 days coming. Okay, the market is in serious trouble, and even if any bounce that you guys get, if you're trading a portfolio, you need to start trimming if you haven't already started. The first to panic wins. Look, we are not going to all-time highs here. Okay, not while the Fed is increasing interest rates. The political environment is toxic. The international environment is toxic. Europe is a mess. China is a mess. Trade is collapsing. I don't mean, this isn't a wall of worry. It's a cliff of terror. And you guys need to trim the sails. At the same time, today was simply a back test on GDX. Was a back test of the inverted break of the inverted head and shoulder. We got stopped out of a few things. That's okay. If you didn't stop out, stay in them. And we also did some buy limits down at that breakout. And we got into a few more things here. Let me just show you real quick. And here's the market here too. I mean, look at it. It lost half its gains in essentially a half hour. You know, they're waiting for Amazon and Google to save us. The world's largest flea market and a search engine, while the consumer is getting absolutely crucified. I mean, come on. Housing down, autos down, credit cards are a mess. Restaurant sales are down. It's you know, people aren't spending money, and these guys absolutely require you to spend more and more money to be able to justify their valuation. Absolutely just a short squeeze today. The big money needs these big moves to get out. And that tell at the end of the day was a tell. They were getting out. The algos were selling, and so enough said on that. So tomorrow, what'll happen? You know, likely flat to down, and let me just show you my bigger picture chart here that I keep my little notes to myself. This morning I wrote this new resistance area. It came up, it blasted right through this, and maybe I'm wrong. Came right back down to my purple line and just collapsed. Now we'll see what happens with Amazon. We're closed now because it's already 4:15 East Coast time. We'll see how it come out of the Amazon earnings announcement. Same with Google. But look, when it's below this purple line, you got to respect this next line down right here. This next purple line, 26.21 now, is engaged. At the very best, we're going to go back and retest this 26.21 area. Okay, so I highly doubt we're going to go ahead and we're going to test up to 27.42. Not after what this candle looks like. That is absolutely a bearish candle. Now flipping over to GDX, I have GDXJ because that's where I'm looking to take a position if I can get it. Is that I have a buy limit at 28.10. May not fill. Bottom of the channels here. I was a little surprised that we were a little bit weaker than I thought we'd be. Maybe the GG earnings really kind of screwed us up. AG, my favorite miner, I did buy in. 575 was the buy limit. So we'll see how we come out this tomorrow. But it's right on my support area, and I think it's retesting and resetting up for a next move higher. And then you know, beyond that, if I just blast, I can start with ABX too. ABX had a reversal today. Also, they kind of pushed it up and brought it down, but it's sitting on the bottom of this channel. If you want to buy, right here, 1146 is safe. AG, oh, maybe I'm off my thing here. Hold on a second. Let me get into my watch list here. Okay. Give me 1 second here. Don't like to have dead air. Apologize for that. So, good area to buy 1142. Okay. I don't trade the financial asset ones for gold, but that's definitely at support. And let me doing this all wrong today. I apologize. Hold on a second, guys. I don't know why I'm doing it this way. Bear with me. Here we go. I just want to walk you through these miners. Okay, we got that one. AEM had a reversal on support. AEM is one of the darlings here. If you want to take it, this is a good place to buy. AG buy zone. AU's holding up pretty well. If you want to be conservative, you can wait till it comes down to here. This is moving up every day though. AUY broke it. If you want to buy AUY, this is an area to buy it. CCJ, we're in it, so we're holding, and at least this time it went positive today. DRD is just a long-term hold for us. I'm looking for a double on this, but it's just grinding. But if you want to buy it, you can see if it'll tag 215 area. Okay, Ego's down below. It's just so small though. It's just not worth trading. EXK, we're in it. Hit our stop at 210. I'm staying in it. Okay, this was I think a sympathy thing on what happened to Goldcorp. Their earnings come out on the 31st. I think they're front running it, and so I'm sorry, GPL's on the 31st, but I think GG caused that issue. Okay, we had a little bit of a dead cat bounce on FCX. I didn't take this trade because I'm afraid it's going to come down even further because I'm not convinced that we don't have a couple big flushes to go in the market. Fortuna's below fair value if you want to take a shot at it. Like I said, here's GDX. It's sitting on pretty much a value here if you want to take a shot at that tomorrow. Talk GDXJ. GG just got absolutely barbecued today on their earnings report. Staying away for 7 days and take a look at it. Okay, Goro. We got stopped out of Goro, but it's on support. I told people if they're in it, stay in it. It's going to bounce. It does a monthly dividend too. Okay, GPL we bought half at 70. I have another half ready to buy at 53, and that is its low from 2016. Has earnings coming out. I think they're pushing it down ahead of it. I'd love for it to tag 53 and bounce. So that's my play, and then I'm looking for it to get back over 85 cents. Hecla, same. I think all these small caps, these liquid ones, just got hammered today. IAG's below fair value, worth a shot. This thing pops. It'll run right up to 390 area here. So I think it's a low risk trade at this point. Staying away from lithium. This hasn't done anything. We're staying away. I'd love for it to come back down lower so we can buy for another lottery ticket. Okay, we got stopped out of Mag Silver the other day. It's definitely getting oversold as well. And I think I'm pretty much done with the miners here. Let me see. Let me just look at SLV. SLV was essentially flat. Okay, that's why I'm saying these miners were just, they must have, they're involved in some sort of sell program. That's all I could see, because gold was up too today. And it's GLD, but gold was up today. So all in all, you know, good with the miners. Stay away from the industrials. Stay away from the stock market. And if you're in the stock market with a portfolio, you need to talk to your financial advisor. You know, don't let them say don't panic, because look, we're at 144% stock market to GDP. The average stock market to GDP ratio is under 1 for 1. Okay, so we're at minimum 20% overvalued, maximum 60% overvalued. You know, you had a great run for 10 years. And look, if you're like my age or older, if you're in your 50s or up, you can't afford a 40 to 50% drawdown, because it'll never come back in your lifetime. And then you're screwed. So, okay, let's say you miss 10% on the upside. Okay, who cares? Okay, you know, I'd rather cry about something I didn't get versus cry about something I absolutely lost. So just bear that in mind. Thanks for listening. And if you're interested in our stuff, you know, we're trading cryptos, binaries. Great day in binaries. Great day with trading these ranges in the futures. And cryptos are kind of flattish right now. And like I said, the stock market, we're all about the miners right now. So come join us and trade with our algorithms. And we have some specials running till Sunday. And come join our happy band of traders. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.